Welcome to Building a Better Machine, where we upgrade our skills one command at a time. This is level 22 of Over the Wire's Bandit Wargame Challenge. My name's Desmond, and let's get it started. This is meant to be a learn with me, so we're going to figure this out together as we go along. I have not performed these exercises prior, so bear with me. And today's prompt is a program is running automatically at regular intervals from cron, the time-based job scheduler. Look in etc/cron.d for the configuration and see what command is being executed. And there's some more information here about looking at shell scripts written by other people to verify a useful skill. It's a very useful skill, yada yada yada. The commands that we're using are the same from the previous levels: cron, cron tab 5. I suspect this is going to be very much of what we did last time, but let's give it a go. So where we are, that's wrong. Finger was not on the home row, and that's what you get when you're not on the home row. So let's change the directory. We're going to hit the etc/cron.d. Boom, this is where we are. ls-l, see what's in here. Okay, so we're going to level 23. So I'm going to, no, we're level 22. I'm on level 22 or level 23. I'm gonna try one of those. Anyway, in the previous level, we explored the theory of cron jobs. So let's see what we can figure out here. I see the clean temp behemoth cleanup, which is an interesting name. Cronjob Bandit 22, Cronjob Bandit 23, Cronjob Bandit 24. So I want to see what's in those. So let's do a cat. Cronjob. We did 22 last time, so I don't think it's gonna be 22. But let's just see what's in there. Oh, what's in there? No such file. So yeah. Yeah, this is everything we did from the last one. So we're gonna do this with the new one. So 23. And the shell is very similar to the password. So what we want to look into that. So we're gonna cat that. V. All right, so here's the shell script. Okay, so it looks like the new thing in this task is going to be variables. That's what we see here. And the variable is just a container to hold a value, a placeholder that you can reference back to. And to declare a variable, it's fairly simple. It's this thing here. It's whatever you want to name the variable equal to whatever you want it to be. So for instance, if I wanted, I'll do var1 is equal to 10. So now to call that variable, we can just do $var1 and it should return temp because that's what's in here. You'd imagine you can have a whole book or infinite number of values, not infinite number of values, but you have a whole host of values in one variable and have it, return that value. So here, you know what? I'm curious. I wonder what it'll say. If it already has a value. No, it's empty. So it hasn't actually run yet. This script hasn't run. I think the script for this level is intentionally made easy to read. If you are having problems understanding what it does, try executing it to see the information it prints. All right, so let's run it. You know, should be able to just run it. Yeah, there you go. There it is. So this is what the thingamahoosit does. So it takes the user who's currently logged on, which is us at Bandit22. It then writes to the variable I am user Bandit22. That then gets converted to a checksum value, and this cuts off the white space for that checksum value. And then it echoes copying file, copy password file to my name, which it should be replaced with Bandit22, and my target, which is the output from the MD5 sum. That's this guy here. So now I think nope, didn't do it. So I'm not sure if it's ephemeral or not, but that's what's happening. Trust me, access this value. Okay, so what's next? We need to get into that file. Here. We need to go to this temp folder here. Well, this is a file. The folder's here. So if we cat this, it should give us something. Control C. Should give us something. Control V. And that looks like the password. That's magic. It's beautiful. So that's it. I think we did it. What a great day it is. We're learning about variables. We're learning about cron. This is a learn with me because I'm not a master in Linux, but I'm definitely getting the hang of it now through the gameplay and some other exercises. If you check I have another playlist with Linux exercises. I think I only had 2 or 3 videos in there, but I have a bunch saved up that I'm going to be making videos for, because I'm doing this every night. Consistency is the key to anything. What I tell my kids is consistency and effort. You combine those two, there's very little you can't accomplish. Consistency and effort, right? But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you have any critiques, I'm very open to critical feedback. So if you have any critiques, also leave that in the comments. I hope you guys are learning something. I am. And with that being said, have a great day. Peace.